Overwhelmed by scattered notes? Discover the ultimate system to organize your life effortlessly. Organize your notes into 4 key categories: personal development, projects, career, and education. Keep everything clear and easily accessible. After setting up a new page, let's start by creating our main databases. There are 2. One for the life areas you want to take notes in, and another for the notes themselves. We'll start with the first database. We'll add our life areas and include covers for them. You can add whatever life areas you want, like health, finances, relationships, hobbies, travel, fitness, and home management. Don't forget to add icons for each area to make them easily recognizable. Then switch the view to Gallery View. Let's move on to the Notes database. As we did with the first one, create a new inline database using the shortcut ++ database. The first thing we're going to do is create a linked column to connect it with our life areas, which I'll call categories in this video. Next, let's create some new columns to enhance our notes database. Personally, my notes include a comments column, where I add my actions for each note, a created date column to track recent notes, a type column indicating whether the note is well understood or needs revision, and finally, a tags column for easy categorization. You can add additional columns if you'd like, such as an attachments or URL column. After adding some tags, it's time to create our default template. We'll start with the Notes database and then move on to the other. For the Notes database, we're going to create a space for text and then add 2 automated buttons, one for embedding media and the other for uploading files if needed. This will help you keep all your resources in one place. Don't forget to make this as the default one for all views. Now it's the life area's turn to create the default template. We'll use a linked view of our notes database by copying the link. I prefer the notes to be displayed in gallery view so you can navigate them easily. Let's add a cover to each note for better visual organization. The notes will be categorized into well understood and needs review sections. Now let's make this template the default one for all our entries. And for demonstration purposes, I will add some notes to show you how it works. As you can see, after adding notes and linking them with the areas through the categories page, the notes are automatically organized inside. Let's add a cover to one of the notes. We're close to being done. Let's add some views, arrange our dashboard a bit, and then automate our workflow. First, we're going to create a view of all our notes and categorize them by their areas. Follow the settings to set this up. In this view, you can easily move a note from one category to another. Then, we'll add another view for all notes that need revision. And lastly, we'll add a calendar view where we can see the date for each note. Let's start arranging our dashboard by dividing it into two columns. And adding a view of recent notes. And leave a space for the shortcuts that we're going to make in the last step. This view will display only the notes that were created in the past 3 days. Follow the steps shown in the video. Lastly, we will automate our workflow by adding buttons. These buttons will allow us to create a new note for each area we want. Let's test our button. Here is the note added with just a click and linked to its category. Now let's duplicate the button and cover all categories. Congratulations! You've now set up an efficient and organized note-taking system with categorized notes, easy navigation, and automated workflows. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips.